Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Share My Location not working on your iPhone. Let's get started. So first, go to your settings and click Privacy and Security. Then here, select Location Services and make sure that the Location Services is turned on. Now, scroll down and tap Find My, then make sure that it's set to while using the app. Next, go to the settings and click your name at the top and click Find My and select Share My Location. Toggle Share My Location on. And ensure that the Find My iPhone is enabled too because this helps track your device's location. Here, go to the settings and click the general and select date and time and make sure that it's set to automatically turned on. Incorrect time can affect location sharing. If it's still not working, sign out and back into iCloud and restart your iPhone. And finally, check your internet connection. Both Wi-Fi and mobile data must be active for location sharing to work properly. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.